Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm glad you're here, and I am really glad I'm here. We've been away for a few days. We went up to the mountains to get a different kind of view going on, and it was a glorious couple of days. And we also went up outside of North Carolina to pick up our new family member, our sweet golden doodle, who is 10 weeks old, born June 20th, which is a very good day, and his name is Lido. And Yo Lido is been keeping us up at night. We are doing the crate training thing, and this dog hasn't made a peep. He knows how to play with himself and stay busy and wonderful on walks and pottying, but we put him in the crate at night. He screamed like somebody was chopping his tail off. So that went on for about an hour, and Rick and I have not gotten much sleep. So I am wiped, but I haven't painted in like 4 days, and so I scurried on down here for a quickie, guys, because I need to go check on the Lido man. He's cute as a button, guys. But well, the really cool place where we stayed had some art on the walls, and I thought to myself, you know what? I like that. I think I can paint that. And it was a swipe going this way and a swipe going this way with some really nice muted colors, but there was more blue here than there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to lay my colors out, and I'm going to tackle the top part of this this painting. This is a 10 by 20 Blix Premium Traditional Profile I bought on sale. Now, it is not a deep gallery wrap. It's 7/8 inch heavy duty frame, but it's a really, really nice size, and it's a good size for me to practice on. Base coat is already down. It is Artist Loft White, and I am using my swipe and pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol and 50% Golden Gloss pouring medium, which from what I understand is the same as GAC 800. So 50-50 is my pouring medium ratio when I do my swipes, because I like my paints thin. Now, I've been playing with the new mix pouring medium, which I'm sure a lot of you know about, and I absolutely love it. And I especially love it for my ring pours. So today we're getting back to my roots. We're going to do some swiping. Let's talk about our swipe colors I got going on here. I'm sorry, guys, I'm going on about 3 hours sleep in 48 hours, so I'm a bit of a zombie. But this is a pretty, pretty shade. Guys, pay attention to the consistency. My pouring medium is fluid because the Golden Gloss pouring medium added to the Floetrol is thinner than Floetrol, and I'm using some fluid paints. That pretty cup right there is PBO Studio Acrylics, and this is the Blue Vert Iridescent, or number 357. But what I did to lighten this up a little bit is I put a little bit of the High Flow Golden Iridescent Pearl in there. So about a tablespoon, and then a couple of squirts of this guy, and then I added my pouring medium until I got to the consistency I was hoping for. This pretty color right here, one of my favorites. This is Golden Fluid Iridescent Silver. Now note, guys, it's a fluid paint, so it is more fluid than most of your tube paints. This is one of my favorite colors. This was one of the first colors I ever painted with about 1.5 years ago, and this is DecoArt Metallics, and this is their Pewter. Love this paint. Now it's a little bit heavy, but it's more heavy body than the golden fluid paints. But what I did to it is I wanted to tone it down because I want my colors to be very soft and muted. And I added some of the golden iridescent pearl in the high flow to this as well. And this paint needed just a little bit of water to get that down to the consistency of my other paints. What else do we have going on here? One of my favorites, golden iridescent pearl. Once again, a fluid paint. And our final color today is golden fluid acrylics in the carbon black. All paints mixed with my swiping pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% golden gloss pouring medium. Our swiping tool of choice are different size pieces of paper towel that I dampened the bottom half of it by just running my squeeze bottle of water across the bottom. So we're gonna get busy, guys. I gotta get busy because I gotta get my butt back upstairs to the Lido man who is screaming, and I don't know if you can hear him. I'm gonna put some music on for y'all so you don't have to listen to that. I'm gonna put a little music on for me so that I don't have to listen to it for a few minutes. Let's get busy, guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way.